What is going on, scholars? If you are ready to learn about possibly the First World War, political strategy, and the first independent black nation in the New World, then you are in the right place. My name is Devon Travell, creator of Black Wall Street, the board game, and this is Black Study Snacks. We give you bite-sized knowledge for hungry, melanated minds. This week's theme is the Haitian Revolution. Let's get snacking.
Powers in the truth, that's why the truth is so elusive. All this black magic, black ones, mathematics, black funds, black's classic, black's fun. We get blacker in the sun of my black ones.
All right, so y'all know we don't just jump right into it. We like to give you a nice foundation education before we actually head into the complexity, and it's complex, of the Haitian Revolution. First, let's start off what is Haiti, right? So Haiti is a Caribbean island that is connected also to the Dominican Republic, located south of the United States and east of Central America. The indigenous population of Haiti were the Arawak-speaking people of Taino. Right, so I think we've talked about Jamaica before. If you haven't taken that course, go back to a previous course. But the Tainos were the indigenous people that were in southern Florida, Jamaica, Haiti, and a lot of other places in the Caribbean as well. And they are actually the ones that gave the original name of the island or of the section of the island, Haiti, which also translates directly to land of high mountains.
Powers in the truth, that's why the truth is so elusive. All this black magic, black ones, mathematics, black funds, black's classic.